Hi, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga Analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the president, of course, na event ya Malamlele, and then from there, I clear Xongi Rhangani and some controversial matter, of course. Yeah, so Kasikulam, of course, 9th June, as you can see, if you can scroll like account, yeah, Benny Mayengani the president. All on phone scroll, if you can go, if you can a video here, so I tlangeni loko hi ta ku hi tlanga
Aye, President Mayengani wa vulavula. Mundzuku ku nga ti-10 ta June a hi hlanganeni eGija lifestyle eka Malamulele president ta va ri kona na vaseketeri va mina van'wana va nga kwala Giyani va ri va ta va ri kwaleni. President Mayengani wa vulavula.
Yeah, so as I've heard, of course, I will event, eGija lifestyle, of course, pub and stuff like that. Yeah, so eventually I'm gonna win against me as the positive votes. So I believe you properly marketed because ku vote vanhu vo tala ngopfu na ngoma mi swi vonini sweswo. So it's very very clear ku vanhu vo tala va yi voneterini poster liyani. So hopefully ku ta kha ku boha shutdown ka that event. Ku ta artist tele ngoma swi vona ku this lineup is huge, guys. I think this is one of the biggest events ka Gaza for this year, to be honest. It's huge. It's huge, guys. It's a huge event. So that one a crowd by the way, to say it's huge. So hopefully everything will go well. Yeah, and then from there we saw the president Xongi Rhangani. Yeah, so previously I a video. La ni fika ni kombisa ku Magumuza ku nga sponsor xa severa press Rhangani has invited Xongi Rhangani because hi vona a va sponsor la mi nga yi vona mi nga mi kha mi yi vona post yale mos ma yi vona this post a hi vona Magumuza there on top left. However, there is some updates no ku ni nonta kahle poster le earlier today ni fona ni vona ku no man, there is some information missing here. Loko hi pfula this poster here even then hi zooma la ya ha ri kona Magumuza la ma swi vona mos, there is no Magumuza there, you get it. Mara ka liya khale ma swi vona Magumuza there leto sheding a yi ri kona a yi ri ku sponsorini. Loko hi langutisa hala a ya ha ri kona, so swi vula yini sweswo? It's very very clear ku there were some issues. So what the issues were there? Of course, artist letin'wana ku nga Dr. Joshua na kambe mana Pesimfana va tsarile the statements ku kombisa ku ve nge kumeki lexa Josh Rimani statement xexo mi nga ba pause mi hlaya, okay. And then the other one hi xexe kwalano xa Pesimfana statement naxo mi nga ba pause mi hlaya. So loko ni swi langutisa switatimende leswi it's quite controversial ku va nga pull out like this. So it's very very clear ku swi related na ku va Magumuza yi nga ha ri ku sponsor rini le. That's why va pull obvious ku yisa hetera mina va pull out va nga hayi ka event swo ku i ku Magumuza se yi sukini le. A ni to ku nga ku endleke yini between Magumuza na owner ya Simple Kitchen, but there is something off. Ku Magumuza swi tiva ku vanhu va mali, so swo ku there were disagreements on something. Loko ra amukeza subscribe banda kombela mi tlika subscribe.